Hi there, students. Zaftig. Okay, Zaftig is a great word. Notice this word is informal American slang. It means voluptuous, particularly of a woman. Somebody who has larger proportions. So I have to admit, I really rather like Zaftig women. Yeah. So Zaftig, Rubensesque. Yeah, with a shapely figure, buxom, having a full figure, voluptuous. Okay, so unfortunately today, on in fashion, all of the women we see are incredibly thin, and well, I think we ought to try to introduce more Zaftig shapes. Okay, so a full rounded figure. Maybe you're calling them a bit plump, but I think plump says fat, and I don't think Zaftig is fat. I think Zaftig is voluptuous, a full shapely figure. Yeah, so she's a Zaftig 35-year-old who is in the prime of life. Okay, so notice this is informal American. Yeah, somebody who's on the larger side there, very attractive, sexually attractive, buxom, voluptuous, well proportioned. Yeah. So Zaftig, I quite like this word. As to formality, I think this is probably a 3.5 in formality. I think you ought to be careful with this word with British speakers, because I'm pretty sure many British speakers are not going to know this word. Yeah. But well, Zaftig women are much more the norm than these very sylph-like slim ladies. Okay, so Zaftig, informal. As to origin, this word Zaftig comes from Yiddish, from 1930 Yiddish, Zaftig, which actually comes from, I guess, German, Saftig, juicy. I'm not sure which way round it goes. I think it's probably from the Yiddish, and the German took the Yiddish meaning. Okay, so what sort of girls do you like? But notice this, generally Zaftig is talking about women, not talking about men. Yes, well, I think if men are a little bit plump, then I don't think that's a woman's perfect ideal. I think she prefers somebody rather muscular. Well, we'll see. Okay, so Zaftig, voluptuous, a brilliant word to use. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Zaftig.